my channel. I know it has been ages since I last vlogged, but yeah, I mean guys, sorry for people like me like who are new to vlogging. It's like little difficult to like take the camera and like yeah shoot everything. But yeah, slowly and steadily trying to get there. And yeah, today is just a like chilling day. Like me and my husband, like we have come to Crown just to hang out and just have like some chit chatting and yeah, just roaming around. Nothing like nothing specific as such. But yeah, I felt like vlogging, so I have taken bits and pieces of what we have done today. So yeah, see ya guys. Stay connected. Yeah, so today is a special day for me as my sweet hubby has gifted me. Actually, it has surprised me with MacBook Air, as you can see in my hand, and I'm like super happy. And the best part about it is the color. It is the starlight color, and yeah, I mean though I have MacBook Air at the moment as well, but then that's the normal silver color, and it has been quite old. So this is like yeah, I'm very happy. And this MacBook Air 15-inch, so it has a bigger screen, and it has got launched I think in the month of June, like some 3 months back. So yeah, I'm very happy. And though we were looking to buy one, we were exploring. I didn't know he'd buy it today and gift it to me. So he just like while I was shopping, he just came to me and put it in my hand. So thank you, Abhi. He's right behind the camera. So thank you so much for this wonderful gift. And like yeah, and hopefully I'll shoot the hopefully what I will shoot the unboxing video. So stay tuned, guys. Have a good one. Bye for now. Hey guys, so finally I'm unboxing my MacBook, and yeah, I'm super excited. I was waiting for its cover to come, and now since it has come, so yeah, I thought to share it with you guys, the video. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the box. Yay! Oh. Happy me. So here it is. Oh wow, this starlight color looks super cool, guys. Okay, so let's open my MacBook. Okay, so this is how it is. I'll remove this. Okay, nice. Yeah, I think I took the right decision by buying 15-inch because the screen looks really big. My earlier MacBook was like smaller one. I mean smaller screen. So yeah, looks good. Yeah, so I'll do the configuration later. But yeah, that's nice. So let's see what all is here. So yeah, I see there is something. Okay, what is oh, there are some Apple logo stickers, I see. Nice. And then there is an adapter and there's a charging cable. So yeah, that's it I can see. And now let's head on to our Apple case. So this is the case that I ordered. I think this is from Mozizo. Yeah, I ordered through Amazon. And yeah, so this is that hard shell case. And here is the opening. Okay, I see it. So this is a transparent hard case. And I think to fix it in my laptop, I'll need my hubby's help. So yeah, so I'll do that a little later. So that's it for the unboxing, and I think that's it for my today's vlog. So hope you all enjoyed my vlog, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Neha's Life Unfiltered, and many more vlogs hopefully will come soon. So see you guys. Bye.